Okay, guys, this is number 14. I think I'll do like two at a time. So we'll take care of A, B, and then I'll go make another video for C and D just so the video is not too big. So if we're looking at A, all right. Oh, wait, maybe I'm writing. Oh, let me put up the wrist guard. My hand's hitting the bottom of the screen. Okay, so when we've got A, we're doing 1 plus 1 over x equals x. It's a rational equation. And we've got that x in the denominator. And so really all you're going to do is multiply everything. Now, there are other ways to do this. Easiest, fastest way is just to multiply everything by the x that's in the denominator, so that then you have x plus a1 equals x squared. Okay? You then are going to subtract the x and the 1, so you get x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. It would be lovely if you had two numbers of that when you multiplied them you got a -1, and when you add them you got a -1, but you don't. So then you're going to do the quadratic formula. So x equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times a c. There we go. All over 2 times a. And when you do that, I'm going to go up to the right over here. X equals a positive 1 now. Oh, I don't need to. There we go. Positive 1 plus or minus the square root of, what is that, 1? And then you're going to add 4, so that's 5 over 2. So you get two answers. So x equals 1 plus radical 5 over 2, and x equals 1 minus radical 5 over 2. And yes, oh, goofball. You have to, I think I said radical 5. I keep doing that in these videos. I say something and I'm writing the wrong number. Yes, you have to double check them because you guys, when we went to solve this, we created that x, up here, we created that x squared, so we might have created extraneous solutions. Easiest, fastest way, guys, just check in your calculator, okay? Let me plug into the calculator real quick and double check. When you check them both, they both happen to work. So there's A. I'm actually going to go ahead and do C right now. So let me move A way up there. All right, so C is an exponential. So we've got 70 plus 50 e to the negative 0.1t equals a 170. Subtract 70 from both sides, please. So that's gone. So you have 50 times e to the negative 0.1t equals 100. Divide both sides by 50. Okay. So then we have e raised to our exponent, and that equals 2. Okay. We need to take that exponent and we need to get that down front. So we're going to take the natural log of both sides. Natural log of both sides. Reason being, properties and rules of logarithms and exponents. That's going to come out front. Natural log of e is just a 1. So we're really going to have a negative 0.1t equals a natural log of 2. And then we're going to divide both sides by negative 0.1. Okay. So t should be, give me a sec, punch it in the calculator. You get a lovely decimal. Take it out to the hundredths place, guys. So you get a negative 6.93, so approximately. And again, you can check it. You need to check it. You'll check it with the calculator. And all I really did was I took the left side and did 70 plus 50 times e to the negative 0.1. And then I actually just, when I was punching in the calculator, you can always just do second and then the negative sign to get your answer, and it automatically puts it back in there. And I got 170.